Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Mobills application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobills application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and password in order to log in. Once you have been logged in and taken into your dashboard, if you wish to change your password, tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. This will now take you into the settings page, and from this page you can tap on security, where you will find the password option. Tap on password and you will now be allowed to enter your desired new password. Go ahead and type in your desired new password within the password section and then type this new password once again for confirmation underneath where it says repeat. You can then tap on the save button and now your password will successfully be changed on your Mobills application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Mobills. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.